Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to set up Cloudflare for free. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you just need to create your account on your Cloudflare and it's free by the way. So just click on sign up and we have options over here. Obviously, we are going with this one. Just click on add a website and it would take us to the login page. Here I'm going to enter my email and password, both of them, and click on sign up. That's it. Once you sign up, you will end up over here. At the top you will see that verify your email address, so make sure to do that. And on the left side of the menu, just click on websites and you will end up over here. Click on get started and here you are going to enter your domain name. Once you add your domain over here, make sure to not add HTTPS everything over here. Just go with the main simple domain and click on continue. After that, at the bottom you will see free plan over here. Just click on continue. After that, now you will end up over here, review DNS records. You can review them. I'm just going with the continue over here. At the bottom you will find your Cloudflare name servers. What are you going to do? Just copy both of them and go to your domain name servers, and as you can see, these are the name servers of my domain. What I'm going to do is just click on change name servers. I'll use my own and enter that over here and click on save. Once I do that, you just need to come back over here and Cloudflare will email you when learnerwithpros.com is active on Cloudflare. So it might take some time to connect, but once it's connect, you just need to click on continue and you're done with Cloudflare. So that's how to set up Cloudflare for free. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.